Hello YouTube. Welcome to our channel Infinity Tech. As you heard from the video topic and from the video thumbnail, this video is about some short computer tricks. These are the very basic computer tricks that will increase your computer knowledge. In this video we will only show some tricks, but don't worry, we make a full playlist of amazing such computer tricks that will make you surprised. If you are a student, then you can show off among your friends, or you can use them at your own benefits to save time. Computers have simplified our life to a great extent. Things that were impossible earlier can now be completed instantly thanks to computers. However, this does not mean that a PC is all work and no play. Here are some of the best tricks you can try out on your Windows-based computer.
Hello friend, how are you?
I am cool.
You know I am the smartest guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Do you know some cool computer tricks?
Hell yeah.
Alright, I will ask you some.
Sure homie.
Okay, do you know how to change computer password without knowing the previous one? Don't worry, I will tell you. Let's go to my computer. Alright, first of all you need to go to search option placed at the taskbar. Now search command prompt. Once you got the command prompt in the search results, right click on it and run as administrator. The command prompt window will pop up. Now type net user and hit the enter button from your keyboard. You will see all the names of your computer user. Now again type net space user space username shown in the above list space your desired password. Now hit the enter and you done. Now your user password is changed. Well, now move on to the next trick. Can you open Task Manager directly without using control panel or search bar?
No.
Well, let's talk about it. All you have to do is press the combination of keys to access Task Manager directly. It will save your time. Now press L Ctrl plus L Shift plus S button on your keyboard. Like this. Now we will go to further trick. Next is about to hide computer files or folders without using any software.
Wow, I really need this.
So, let's get started. So to hide any file or folder, first of all go to its location. As you can see, I have this new folder. Now to hide this folder without using any software, right click on it, then go to properties. Now click on the hidden option placed below. Click OK. Click on apply changes to the folder, subfolders and files, and then click OK. Here we go. Now this folder is hidden. No one can see this folder. If you want to see the hidden files or folder, go to options. Now go to view tab. Now click on show hidden files, folders, and drives. Now you can see the all hidden files, folders and drives. To retrieve it back, just right click on it, then go to properties and uncheck the hidden option, then click OK. The hidden folder is now unhidden. You can access to this folder now. This trick is very helpful if you want to hide some files from someone. This is all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to get more computer tips and tricks like this, just subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.